Aradhya Krishna. Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is pollution of water bodies. When harmful chemical substances are released into the environment, they pollute them very much, whether land, water or air. This is referred to as pollution. Pollution is very harmful, especially when we are talking about water pollution. Water pollution is an appalling problem. It is powerful enough to lead the end of life on earth. Infested from waste ranging from sewage water to plastic, our water bodies are turning into poison. There are several causes for water pollution. Dumping of human waste and other harmful chemicals into the water bodies is one of them. This pollutes them directly. Since most of the cities and towns are located near rivers and streams, human waste is being dumped into them and other harmful chemicals as well, which pollutes them directly. And another cause of water pollution is release of industrial waste. Industries produce large amounts of waste materials. These contain mostly of mercury, nitrates and other harmful substances to top it all off. So these industries, some of them do not have proper waste management system. So this in turn is dumped into the rivers. It's drained into the rivers and streams or into fresh water, in simple words, polluting the water bodies. This waste flows into rivers, canals and finally into the oceans and seas. This possesses a serious threat, a serious hazard to organisms that live in the water, people who use and consume this water as well. Another cause of water pollution, oh my gosh, now I'm starting to think how many causes are there gonna be for one kind of pollution. But there is another cause and another cause and another cause as well, so let's just continue this. So another cause of water pollution is land and water flow. Contamination also occurs due to the flow of land from contaminated land to the water bodies. When it rains heavily, the rivers overflow and this flows over the surrounding area and collects all the waste possible, and this dumps it into the water body. This pollutes them as well. Oh my gosh. Next, plastic is also another threat adding to marine water pollution. Plastic in the seabeds does not decompose for years. Plastic water pollution forms because the plastic does not decompose for years and stays in the seabeds where it is obviously thrown away. So another kind of water pollution is water pollution caused by an oil spill. This kind of pollution is a matter of grave concern. An oil spill takes place when oil from a tanker or oil from the tanker spills into the oceans or seas. And since this oil does not dissolve in the water, it forms a harmful layer. This is a serious threat to aquatic marine life, and this is not at all good. And the extent of destruction from an oil spill depends upon the quantity of the spill, the size of the water body and the toxicity of the pollutants. Another kind of pollution happens because of burning fossil fuels. Burning fossil fuels like coal and other fossil fuels is not at all good. It results in water pollution. How? Well, when we burn them, they release substantial amounts of ash. This ash has harmful chemicals, obviously, and when these mix with the water vapor in the atmosphere, they form acid rain. This pollutes the water bodies, and not to mention these burning fossil fuels, they release carbon dioxide, which results in global warming, which is also not good. So another kind of cause for water pollution is chemical fertilizers. Using chemical fertilizers. Farmers use these chemical fertilizers to protect their crops from bacteria and insects, and you get the idea. So this is okay at first, but when these chemical fertilizers, when they mix with water, they they become dangerous for the plants and animals. And when it rains, these fertilizers and chemicals, they dissolve in the rainwater, and when this rainwater slowly flows down to the rivers and canals and whatnot, other water bodies, they pose a serious threat to animals that live in the water and people who consume this water, which is another cause for water pollution. And yet another cause for water pollution is leakage from the landfills. Now, what are landfills? Landfills are huge collected piles of garbage, and when it rains, sometimes these landfills leak and they pollute the underground waters. So there are so many ways of water pollutions, probably more than I mentioned, I don't know, but these are the major causes of water pollution. So how do we protect ourselves from this water pollution? We definitely need water to survive. It's a vital thing in life. And how do we consume this water and stop water pollution? Well, I don't know if we can stop it permanently, but here are a few things we can do together. We can do individual efforts and try to stop water pollution and wasting water, or educative campaigns, sewage waste treatment, industries waste treatment, and let's see. What others? There are many others, but I've just mentioned a few here. Individual efforts, educative campaigns, green agriculture practices, and there are many others as well. So let us protect water and save water, because it's a vital part of our life and it is a vital part of many aquatic animals as well. So let us use our water judiciously so that we can save water and make our planet a better, very better place to live in. So while you work on that, I'm going to work on another speech. So that's it for today. Until next time, I'm Aradhya. I'll see you in the next video.